ready? Yo, let's ride. Yeah.
Okay, check.
Let's get cooking with Grandma.
Knock, knock, guess who's coming to dinner?
Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Grandma H. Yep. Obviously, this is not Grandma talking. You're gonna be hearing Grandma's voice in between the videos. Yeah, and she's gonna be speaking Igbo. So those of you who do not understand the language, there's gonna be subtitles for you to be able to understand what she's saying. But those of you who understand Igbo, just enjoy listening to my mama talk to you guys. Okay, so let's dive into it. So today, Grandma is gonna be showing us how to prepare oven grilled tilapia. Omo, my taste buds are already doing me So let's start. So to begin, Grandma marinates her fish, and these are the ingredients she uses to marinate her fish: onions, sweet bell peppers, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, dry thyme, dry rosemary, Maggie cubes, hot ground pepper, and a dash of salt. How does Grandma do it? So what she does is she blends all these ingredients together, then she pours it into hot oil to bring everything together so that she can have all the taste in one place. Oh my god. Yes, so after doing that, she allows the sauce to cool down a little. Then she cuts open her tilapia and feeds her tilapia with her spicy sauce to marinate the fish, as in to give the fish this taste that is so irresistible.
Yeah, but tilapia I'm so I'm going to season limit, so cover them.
So after Grandma marinated her tilapia for an hour, she decided to start grilling. Why 1 hour? After I asked her, she said it was because she wanted the sauce to enter the fish very well. So she wanted the fish to absorb a lot of the sauce so that when she eats it, she can taste the spices. So yes, after that, she set the oven to broil setting and decided to start grilling. What she did was she grilled each side of the tilapia for 15 minutes. So the first side was 15, then she came back, turned it to the other side for 15 minutes as well. So in total, she had the fish in the oven for 30 good minutes. And yes, after she finished grilling it for 30 minutes, she brought it out and we had this golden brown tilapia, which was very well cooked. Yes, very well cooked, and it tasted amazing. I'm gonna be dropping the picture for you to see, as well as the video for you to see how amazing it looked. And check out for the end of the video, because you're gonna be seeing an after picture of how the tilapia was dissected. Let me know what your appetite to, ma. Just enjoy the video. And also, there are so many dishes you can eat with the tilapia. You can eat banku, you can eat eba, you can eat gari, you can eat so many things with the tilapia. So come on, get your grilling on and try this.
So tilapia so as one you want to eat banku. You have to try to get ready. Rice.
Grandma decided to have hers with a ball of banku, and it went down so well. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, let us know what dish you would like to see next, and don't forget to add stew or shito to your tilapia and whatever accompaniment you would want to have it with. Enjoy your tilapia, and don't forget to let us know how it went when you tried it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we're definitely gonna bring more amazing